the ano siya tawag da sa munisipyo guys, in the municipal office guys. Wow, thank you so much Lori for that. Thank you so much. Uy, kuha po ko. Bili ko. Thank you so much Lori. Yeah, yeah, thank you so much. Maybe later we're going to the municipal hall to ask the PO box.